Picture this. It's Friday afternoon, your guest is checking in at 4, and your cleaner just texted you. Something came up, can't make it today. Sound familiar? Now you're scrambling through your contacts, calling your backup, hoping they're available, and meanwhile, you've got a guest expecting a spotless property in 3 hours. This is the reality for most Airbnb hosts. You're managing cleaners through text messages, and you have no idea if the job actually got done until you hear from the guest, and if something goes wrong, you're the one putting out the fire. Now imagine a completely different scenario. Your cleaning task gets auto-assigned to the next available cleaner from your pre-approved roster. They get a notification on their phone with every detail they need, access codes, special instructions, the full checklist. When they finish, they upload photos proving the job is done. And you didn't have to send a single text. And that's not hypothetical. That's what's happening right now on a platform called Bestie AI, and the cleaning side is honestly just the beginning. This video is sponsored by Bestie AI, and I partner with them on this one because what they've built is genuinely worth showing you. Let me explain why. What I'm going to walk you through today is a single AI platform that handles your guest communication, automates your revenue through upsells, and manages your cleaning operations all in one place. I'll show you exactly how it works, share real numbers from hosts and operators using it, and explain why I think this changes the game even if you're only managing 1 or 2 listings, but even more so if you're managing 10 or more. Stick around for the customer results too, because one company generated over $241,000 in pure profit from a single feature that took only 30 minutes to set up. Hi, I'm James Fedek, co-author of Airbnb for Dummies and one of the world's leading short-term rental educators. Over my 8 years of hosting through every market cycle, I've personally managed dozens of listings while earning a full-time income myself and traveling the world full-time. I've been featured in some of the world's biggest publications and helped thousands of hosts to level up their hosting. Through B&B Mastery, I've helped over 800 hosts to optimize their business, plus helped over 700 people launch successful co-hosting careers. I'm here to help you with your short-term rental. Before I dive into what Bestie does, let me give you a quick picture of what most of us are actually dealing with right now. If you're like most hosts I talk to, your operation system looks something like this. You've got a text thread with your cleaner, maybe a shared Google Doc or checklist you hope that they're following, a separate app for guest messaging, maybe a pricing tool on top of that, and then you're manually tracking everything in your head or on a spreadsheet. Every tool has its own login and nothing really talks to each other. And the cleaning coordination, which is arguably the most important part of your entire hosting operation, is running on text messages and trust. Here's the real problem with that setup. You're paying your cleaner for 2 hours of work, but do you actually know how long the clean takes? You're trusting that every item on the checklist got done, but do you have proof? And if you've got more than one cleaner you rotate between, do you have any real data on who's doing a better job? Or are you just going off of gut feeling and the occasional guest comment? For most hosts, the answer to all of those questions is no. And that's not because you're doing anything wrong, it's because until very recently, the tools to actually track and verify this stuff just simply didn't exist. So what would it look like if there was one platform that solved all of this, the cleaning chaos, the guest messaging, the revenue optimization, and it was accessible to hosts at any size, whether it's 1 listing or 1,000? That's exactly what Bestie AI has built. At its core, Bestie is an AI property management platform, and it covers guest communication, revenue automation, and operations all in one system. It was founded in 2023 by Sam Dundas, who comes from a property management background, and Arlo Stonefish, who's an AI engineer. These guys actually managed properties themselves and built Bestie to solve their own problems. What's really important for hosts watching this is that Bestie now works without requiring a PMS. That means if you're running 1 to 5 listings and you don't have a property management system, you're not locked out. You can use Bestie for AI-powered guest messaging, upsells, and cleaning operations without needing to invest in a full PMS first. That's a big deal because historically, these kinds of tools were only available to larger operators. Now let's dive in and start with the most basic but most impactful feature, automatic task assignment. Right now, when a guest checks out, what happens? You probably get a notification and then you text your cleaner. Or maybe you set up a recurring calendar reminder that you're hoping your cleaner remembers too. With Bestie, cleaning tasks get auto-assigned based on your checkout schedule. You set up your approved cleaners and the system handles the assignment automatically. No more scrambling, no more last minute texts, no more hoping someone remembers. And here's where it gets really valuable. If you've got multiple cleaners you work with, Bestie can auto-assign tasks across your entire roster. So if your primary cleaner isn't available for specific turnover, the system moves to your next approved cleaner automatically. Think about how many times you've been in that panic mode. Checkout is at 2 hours from now, and your cleaner just canceled, and you're calling through your contacts trying to find someone. That entire problem now goes away when you have a system that manages your cleaning team for you, even if your team is just 1 or 2 or 3 people that you rotate between. Once the task is assigned, your cleaner gets everything they need right on their phone through Bestie's mobile app. They see their task queue for the day, they see the property's access codes, any special instructions, all of it populated automatically. They don't need to dig through old text threads to find the lockbox code. They don't need to ask you about what the Wi-Fi password is. It's all right there. And when they finish the clean, they upload proof of work photos directly through the app. This is huge. Instead of hoping that everything got done and finding out it didn't when your guest complains, you can actually see photographic evidence that the clean was completed. Notes, updates, before and after shots, it's all documented in one single place. Now, here's the feature that I think is a genuine game changer, especially if you've ever wondered whether you're getting your money's worth from your cleaning team. Bestie tracks actual task completion times, not estimated times, not what your cleaner tells you it took, the real measured time from when they started the task to when they marked it complete. And with geofencing, Bestie can tell when a cleaner arrives at the property compared to when they stay. So even if they forget to click start and stop on the app, you still know exactly how long the clean took. Why does this matter? Let's say you're paying for a 2-hour turnover clean. Bestie's historical task duration data might reveal that your cleans are actually averaging about 45 minutes. That's a massive gap between what you're paying for and what's actually happening. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean your cleaner is ripping you off. Maybe they're just really efficient, but maybe the clean is being rushed and that's showing up in your guest reviews. The point is, without this data, you have no idea. You're flying completely blind. And this leads into what I think is the single most impressive feature in the entire platform, the cleaning leaderboard. If you've got more than one cleaner, even if it's just 2 people that you rotate between, this is incredible. Bestie can now show you real performance data on who's doing a better job, and not just based on speed. The leaderboard is scored using actual guest cleanliness review data tied back to a specific cleaner who handled that specific turnover. Let me explain why this is such a big deal. Before Bestie, if you wanted to know which of your cleaners was better, what'd you have to go on? Maybe you noticed that complaints seemed to happen more after one particular cleaner shifts. Maybe one of them seemed faster, but you were guessing. You had no way to systematically connect this cleaner on this date with this guest left this review about cleanliness. Bestie connects the cleaning data to the reservation data to the review data all in one system and gives you an actual answer. On top of that, they've built outlier detection that flags if a cleaner is reliably slower than average or consistently getting lower cleanliness scores. So you're not just looking at speed, you're looking at speed and quality together. If someone's fast, but guests keep mentioning cleanliness issues, you'll see that. If someone's slow, but guests rave about how spotless the place was, you'll see that too. This is the kind of data that lets you make real decisions about your cleaning team instead of relying on hunches. Now, whether you decide to book a demo with Bestie or not, I genuinely think that it's critical for hosts to know how AI is changing the short-term rental landscape right now. The truth is, times are changing, and if you don't keep up, you risk being left behind. If you're curious to see how this would look for your operation, then you can click the link in the description to book a call with Bestie's team. But either way, we've got a lot more to cover, so buckle up. Bestie's Autopilot messaging is next, and it handles guest messages across Airbnb, Vrbo, Booking.com, email, SMS, and WhatsApp, all from a single unified inbox. You can run it in 2 modes. Full autopilot, where the AI handles everything, or draft mode, where the AI writes the response and you approve it before it sends. If you've ever been woken up at midnight by a guest asking what the Wi-Fi password is or how to work the thermostat, you know exactly why this matters. What I really respect about their approach is the confidence-based handoff system. When Bestie encounters a sensitive situation or isn't confident in its answer, it doesn't guess. It escalates to you. They describe this as hallucination proof by design, meaning they'd rather answer a smaller share of questions correctly than a larger share with mistakes mixed in. In an industry where one wrong answer about a cancellation policy can cost you a booking or a review, that design philosophy really matters. The AI knowledge base underneath all of this learns any answer you give once and allows you to permanently commit it for use across all future conversations. So the first time you tell Bestie how to handle a specific question, like where the extra towels are at one of your properties or what time the pool closes, it remembers and applies that answer going forward. Your property intelligence compounds that way over time. They've also built a custom risk of negative review model trained on over 1 million reservations, considering 100 to 150 features per reservation. It flags at-risk stays before they become bad reviews, giving you a chance to intervene proactively rather than reacting after the damage is done. So, Bestie handles your cleaning operations and your guest communication, but here's where it starts generating actual revenue you wouldn't have captured otherwise. The Upselling engine automates offers across the entire guest lifecycle. Gap nights, early check-in, late checkout, and custom add-ons like parking fees, pet fees, and EV charging, whatever you want really. The key differentiator isn't just that it makes the offers, it's that Bestie handles the full loop: the offer, the conversation with the guest, the payment, and the right back to your booking system. Most tools stop at the offer and leave you to manage the conversation, collect the payment, and update everything manually. Bestie closes the entire loop automatically. Their gap night automation alone generates an average of 1.2 extra nights booked per month per listing. For a single listing host, that could easily mean 1 or 2 extra nights booked per month that weren't going to get booked otherwise. On top of that, you've got early check-ins and late checkouts, which are basically just free money. Because Bestie is fully integrated with your operations and knows exactly when a property is ready and available for guests, it can easily upsell either one without needing to involve you at all. You just set your preferences once and the AI handles everything else. One more feature I want to mention is Bestie's workflow and SOP builder, because I think that it's really what ties the whole platform together. It takes plain English procedures and turns them into automated branching workflows. You describe what you want to happen. Like when a guest requests a late checkout, check if there's a same day arrival, and if not, offer it for $35, collect the payment, update the checkout time, and notify the cleaners. And Bestie builds the automated logic for you. They've also got out-of-the-box templates for common scenarios like pet approval, lockout resolution, complaint escalation, and post-stay review requests. Beyond workflows, Bestie also includes automated messaging sequences across the entire guest stay, a branded guest portal for rental agreements, check-in, ID verification, damage waivers, and digital guidebooks, and smart locks integrations, and a direct booking widget. And they're currently developing an AI voice receptionist targeted for later in 2026.
Marcus, what can I help you with today? I'm sorry to hear that, Marcus. Are you having trouble with the door code? Could you tell me what code you're entering? Also, just to make sure, you're at the Alpine Loft, right? I see, Marcus. The code in our system is 4921#. Could you try that one instead? It should let you right in. Let me know if it works. I understand, Marcus. I've submitted an urgent maintenance request for you to get access. Someone will be assisting you very shortly. I'm sorry for this trouble. Please stay by the door.
It's not live yet, but it tells you where this platform is headed. On the ops side alone, they've shipped 24 features in 7 months with a 4-person engineering team. That kind of development velocity is insane. Now, I want to be straight with you. No AI tool is perfect, and Bestie's no exception. But here's who I think this is really built for. If you're a host managing 1 to 5 listings and you're spending way too much time coordinating cleaners through text messages, answering repetitive guest questions, and leaving upsell revenue on the table because you don't have the bandwidth to manage it manually, this solves those problems all in one place. If you're a growing operator or co-host scaling beyond a handful of properties and you need real systems instead of duct tape, this gives you that infrastructure without requiring a full PMS or an expensive team. And if you're a larger property manager drowning in operational complexity, the cleaning intelligence and automation capabilities alone could transform your operations and your profitability. What gives me confidence in recommending this is that the founding team actually managed properties, and it shows. The product roadmap is driven by real operational pain points, and the pace they're shipping at tells me this platform in 6 months is going to be even more capable than what I've shown you today. This is genuinely a different kind of tool. Not an incremental improvement on what existed, but a fundamentally new approach to running a short-term rental business. If you want to check it out, I've got a link to Bestie AI in the description down below. And by the way, if you're looking for more in-depth training on the best ways to leverage AI in your short-term rental business, then look no further than B&B Tribe. For just $49 a month, you can get access to our full A to Z training for Airbnb hosting, co-hosting, and investing. It's an active short-term rental community with hundreds of members from all over the world, many of whom are leveraging AI in their businesses right now in some truly incredible ways. The link to join is in the description down below as well, and we're releasing new training constantly, including all the latest details that you need to stay ahead of the AI curve. The short-term rental game is changing rapidly, and I think that it's mostly for the better. But let me know what you think in the comments down below. What part of running your Airbnb do you wish AI could handle right now? Is it the cleaning coordination, the guest messages, or something else entirely? I'm genuinely curious. And if you found this helpful, make sure you subscribed. I've got a lot more content coming out over the next few weeks on how to optimize and grow your short-term rental business. I'll see you in the next one.